Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Chapter 3 MS Office Automation course. My name is Tahir Mahmood and I'm your computer science teacher. I will be guiding you throughout the lessons regarding MS Word, Excel and Urdu in Page. So let's get into it. First, let's look at the course outline regarding MS Word. We'll be discussing the basic definitions of MS Word. We'll see what is Office Automation, what is OAS, Office Automation System. Then we will see the components of MS Word like word processing and word processor, their differences. We will be studying about how to do the basic functions regarding opening and closing of MS Word file, and then we will move a bit further and see that how the different functions placed on the ribbon of MS Word are used. Then when we are familiar with the basic stuff, we'll move on to the editing portion where we will type some of the texts and sentences, and we will perform formatting on those sentences and paragraphs, and then we will see how we can enter headings onto our document, and how we can enter different page numbers that can automatically change. Then we will advance into more complex functions like inserting page break, section break, and header and footer, and then we will learn some more fun stuff regarding entering pictures into our document, arranging them, and playing with some art which is very fun regarding the topic word art. Then we will be creating tables and see how we can insert tables into our document, and then we will look at the different page settings and the marginal settings, and finally we will see a function which is called the hyperlink, that what is it about and why and how we use it. So let's start the course. Dear students, before we start lesson, please note some points. You must have a book along a pencil beside you, and you should sit in front of a computer screen with MS Word opened on the desktop. Mark the difficult words, phrases or any concepts while due course, and you can discuss it later with me in the class. So let's get started. First up is the definition Office Automation. What is Office Automation? When we sit in any office and we deal with the daily basis work like typing of documents and creating files and generating files and printing them and sending them, we need a kind of system that facilitates us to deal with this kind of process. That system is called Office Automation or Office Automation System. So Office Automation System deals with three components or three basic components of Office Automation System, OAS. These are hardware, software and network. So this system is not complete without these three elements. So hardware includes a computer machine, monitor, and mouse, keyboard, printer, so on and so forth, along with computer software, which includes operating system, of course, on which your application software like MS Office will run, or any other Office Automation software. Then you require network on which you can send the generated files and data that you create using Office Automation System. So there are some different kinds of Office Automation systems available on the platform of computer. For example, we have got Apache OpenOffice, LibreOffice, NeoOffice, and of course most commonly used is Microsoft Office Suite. Microsoft Office Suite was introduced by Microsoft company, uh, whose owner is Bill Gates. So he introduced it on 1st August 1988. So MS Office, I hope you are all familiar with it because you have studied MS Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in your previous classes. So Office Suite basically comprises MS Office Suite basically comprises of different kind of software packages like MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, MS PowerPoint, Outlook, and many more. So depending on or the type of work that we do in the offices, we have different kind of Office packages. Then we have different operating systems on which these packages run. Regarding MS Word, which we are going to study in detail, MS Word Office cannot be installed on the Windows XP and lower versions than that. We need higher versions than Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, which is most commonly used popular operating system, and so on and so forth. So next up is the process of installation of MS Word. I hope you are all familiar with the installation of common types of softwares. So all of them are really fairly easy to install. You have to click the setup file, and then the wizard, which is a program, allows the installation process automatically finished. So for regarding installation of MS Office, you must have a CD or setup downloaded from the internet, and then start the installation process as mentioned in detail on page 65. Students go through the details through the book and memorize all the definitions regarding each topic that we are studying. So regarding topic 3.1.1, installation of MS Office, you have to click the setup file, and then these screens will appear one by one. First screen that you see as marked here on your window is it requires a 25 characters key that you have to insert. When you insert it, it will allow you to move to the next screen, which is license agreement. You have to click on the checkbox that is present here. This checkbox, you have to click on it, and then you have to press continue. After that, the installation process will take place depending on the hardware configuration, how powerful your system is, how much memory it has, how much processing power it has. It will finish earlier or takes less or more time. Then after completion, this is the final screen that will appear, that will show you that your installation process is done.